To link Zopa online banking, start by logging into your Zopa account through their official website or mobile app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this section to view a drop-down menu. Then select the option to link a bank account. You will be redirected to a new page where you can choose your bank from a list of available options. Select the bank you want to link and you will be taken to the bank's website to authenticate the connection. You may be asked to log in to your online banking account to authorize the link. After successfully authenticating, you will be redirected back to the Zopa website, where you will see a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been linked. You can now view your linked account details and manage your Zopa account more efficiently. It is essential to ensure that you are linking your account to the correct bank and that you have the necessary permissions to do so. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with linking your bank account to Zopa. To get the most out of linking your Zopa online banking, make sure to regularly review your account activity and transaction history. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. In summary, linking Zopa online banking is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely link your bank account and enjoy the benefits of online banking with Zopa.